Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I want to talk about how you can become the #1 carpet cleaner in your area by participating in your community. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB, or Ads Grow Business. We specialize in one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaners like you booked out on autopilot with jobs with our specialized marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many carpet cleaning businesses as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis or through this YouTube channel. So let's dive into the content. So let's talk about how to become the #1 carpet cleaner in your area by participating in the community. What I mean by that is, like sometimes they have like a school fete or school fair, and like you can kind of go along and you can pay money and have like a stand at it, and the money goes to like towards the school or something like that, and you can maybe have like a lemonade stand. Sometimes they have like the police there and the kids can get in the cop car and play with the siren and all of that. Getting involved in all of that kind of stuff in the community can really help you to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, for you to be recognized as the #1 carpet cleaner in your area. For example, if let's say you've got like a truck mount or something like that, and you could have that and it's like some really amazing piece of kit that you've got, and it's all your things all wrapped and stuff. You're giving like free lemonade away to like kids or whatever it is, right? And you could have like the back of the truck, and you could be maybe giving kids like guided tour of like the truck mount and like showing them like talking about it, whatever. You could be just simply sponsoring the event, right? Sometimes they just have like banners and it's like sponsored by different local businesses. There's a number of things that you can do to kind of get involved and participate in things like school fairs and different events in the community, charitable events in the community, and there's quite often multiple different things going on throughout the year, certainly in the summer months and stuff like that. And what's really cool about this is, first of all, typically the fee or the sponsorship normally goes to some good kind of cause. That means then that your business is sort of being associated with those charitable causes, with those good things, and people start to see your business as something that's part of the community, something that contributes towards the community. So from a branding point of view, it really doesn't get much better than that. And in general, like these events, like when you attend them, these local events, these fetes, these fairs, these charitable events and stuff that you can become a part of in your local area, when you attend them, you're going to get talking, you're going to get chatting to different people, right? And this could be anything from like a family of 4, husband, wife, couple of kids, and they need their carpets cleaned, and you're there with your van and it's all nicely wrapped, and you've got the back doors open and the truck mount's flashing or whatever, and people are like talking about it, like wow, and you're kind of explaining how it works and stuff like that, how the system works, and you get talking as like family of 4, and it might turn, hey, we've got a 6-room house, can you come and clean our carpets next week? And you might end up generating some jobs off the back of it, right? But what I'm thinking about with all of this is that a lot of these fetes, fairs, charitable events, school events, college events that companies can participate in and sponsor and be a part of, a lot of these events obviously are going to be attended by other companies, and this is where this kind of thing comes into its own, because this is where you can network, right? This is where you can generate commercial jobs. This is where you can make those kind of connections that generate those amazing kind of contracts. Imagine like one of the other sponsors is like a chain of hotels that are in the sort of local area, and the owner or one of the managers is at the event or something. It's a charitable event being put on in the grounds of the school or the college or whatever, and the manager of that chain of hotels is there and you're there, and you get chatting, and that leads to you getting a commercial contract across all of their hotels in the state or the area or whatever it is. That could be like an absolute game changer for you. So definitely I think one of the things that maybe is overlooked, so I certainly don't see it talked about that much online, is like participating in these kind of local events, these charitable events for schools, colleges, and maybe old folks homes, or different things, the different community events that you have going on. Maybe there's a carnival or whatever it is. It can be huge for your business. Like I said earlier, certainly just by association, it creates this perception perception that your business is really supportive and part of the local community. And if people start seeing your name about at these kind of charitable events, people of your community, then, you know, even if in like 6 months time they're looking for a carpet cleaner and they come across your ad, or they search you and you kind of come up in the search, they're probably going to remember you, right? But, oh yeah, those are the guys that were donated, you know, $1,000 to the school, or these are the guys that provided support for this or that, or did that, or had that stand, do you remember last summer? Yeah. And that might be the thing that gets them to hire you, you know? So in terms of like the image of your company, it can only be a positive thing to be involved with these events, and it's a great branding and marketing exercise for you in itself. But by simply attending these events, it can really open up the doors to a lot of opportunities for you as well. So I just wanted to share that with you. Hope that you find it valuable. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out more about working with us on a one-on-one basis, head to the description where you'll find all the information that you need to schedule a Zoom call where we'll run you through everything and get you signed up. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.